back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to resource for elevating every corner of your living space. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you living in an apartment, perhaps in a bustling city, and dreaming of a serene escape, a place to breathe, relax, and entertain, all without leaving your home? Well, you're in luck, because today we're diving into the incredible world of apartment terrace living spaces. So, what exactly do we mean by an apartment terrace living space? Simply put, it's an outdoor area connected to your apartment, designed and furnished to function as an extension of your indoor living. Unlike a simple balcony that might just be a small ledge, a terrace often offers more substantial square footage, allowing for a broader range of activities, from dining al fresco and lounging with a good book to cultivating a small garden or even hosting intimate gatherings. It's about transforming that outdoor concrete slab into a vibrant, functional, and aesthetically pleasing room under the sky. The benefits of having an apartment terrace living space are truly immense, especially for those of us in urban environments where green spaces can be scarce. Firstly, it significantly expands your usable living area, providing extra room for relaxation, dining, or hobbies that might otherwise feel cramped indoors. Imagine stepping out with your morning coffee, feeling the fresh air, or enjoying a beautiful sunset without ever having to leave your apartment. This direct connection to nature and the outdoors can dramatically improve your well-being, reducing stress and enhancing your mood. It also offers a fantastic opportunity for entertaining guests, providing a unique and memorable setting for dinners or casual get-togethers. Beyond the practical advantages, a well-designed terrace can add significant value to your property, making your apartment more appealing and desirable. It's a personal sanctuary, a breath of fresh air, and a stylish extension of your home, all rolled into one. To give you some incredible inspiration, we've curated our top 20 best apartment terrace living space ideas to explore. Let's dive in. One, high-rise balcony with warm wood decking and lush planters. Perched high above the city, this elegant balcony maximizes its panoramic views with a seamless glass railing. The rich, warm tones of the wooden decking provide a beautiful contrast to the cool gray of the outdoor sofa and round table. Large, dark planters overflow with vibrant, diverse greenery, adding life and privacy to the space. This design demonstrates how even a moderately sized balcony can be transformed into a sophisticated and tranquil urban retreat, perfect for enjoying the cityscape and a breath of fresh air. 2. Lush rooftop garden oasis with city views. Experience the tranquility of a private garden against a breathtaking city skyline in this stunning rooftop terrace. A vibrant green lawn forms the central gathering space, surrounded by comfortable, dark-toned outdoor seating. Thoughtfully placed garden beds with blooming flowers and a mature frangipani tree create a truly natural escape. The combination of soft lighting, the inviting green space, and the panoramic views makes this terrace an exquisite spot for unwinding or hosting an unforgettable outdoor event. 3. Modern urban retreat with plush comfort. This expansive apartment terrace perfectly blends modern aesthetics with ultimate comfort. The large L-shaped outdoor sofa, adorned with plump white cushions and a cozy faux fur throw, invites relaxation and conversation. Strategic placement of potted grasses and lanterns adds a touch of natural elegance, while the clean lines of the railing and floor tiles contribute to a sleek, contemporary feel. It's an ideal setting for quiet mornings or intimate evening gatherings, offering both privacy and an open connection to the sky. 4. Urban chic terrace with industrial accents and cityscape. This stylish apartment terrace offers breathtaking city views, especially at dusk, and incorporates intriguing industrial elements. Sleek, comfortable outdoor sofas and a modern dining set provide ample seating for both lounging and entertaining. Unique, exposed metal pipes serve as a striking architectural feature, while integrated lighting along the perimeter creates a warm glow. Thoughtfully placed trees with vibrant foliage add natural color and softness against the urban backdrop, making this space a true metropolitan sanctuary. 5. Contemporary rooftop lounge with artificial turf. A bright and airy rooftop terrace designed for modern living and ease of maintenance. The striking green artificial turf area provides a playful contrast to the light-colored paving stones, creating a distinct zone for relaxation or casual activities. Minimalist yet comfortable outdoor furniture in shades of gray and black anchors the lounge area, complemented by sleek planters with sculpted greenery. This terrace showcases a practical and stylish approach to urban outdoor design, offering a vibrant spot to enjoy sunny days and open skies. 6. Expansive al fresco dining and lounge area. This sophisticated rooftop terrace is designed for grand entertaining and luxurious outdoor living. A striking wooden overhang provides architectural interest and some shade over a generous outdoor dining table, perfect for large gatherings. Adjacent to the dining area, a relaxed lounge space with plump cushions and vibrant yellow ottomans offers a comfortable spot for pre- or post-dinner conversation. Integrated planter boxes with lush greenery soften the hardscape, creating a harmonious and inviting atmosphere that effortlessly blends indoor elegance with outdoor freedom. 7. Illuminated night garden with sculpted pathway. A magical transformation occurs in this apartment terrace as evening falls, highlighted by captivating lighting. A curving gravel pathway gracefully guides the eye through lush artificial turf, leading to a circular lounge area with a cozy round sofa. The wall is adorned with an array of warm, upward-facing lights that create a dramatic and inviting ambience, while subtle ground lighting illuminates the dense planting along the perimeter. This design showcases how thoughtful lighting can turn a terrace into an enchanting night garden, perfect for intimate evenings. 8. Tropical serenity with warm wood tones. This charming terrace exudes a warm, tropical vibe, enhanced by rich wooden decking and ceiling details. Lush, varied foliage, including a prominent frangipani tree and smaller potted plants, creates a natural privacy screen and a vibrant backdrop. The inviting outdoor sofa with striped cushions offers a comfortable spot for relaxation, while unique wooden side tables add character. It's a perfect example of how to infuse a sense of exotic calm and natural beauty into an urban outdoor space, ideal for enjoying golden hour sunsets. 9. Luxurious rooftop lounge with panoramic city views. This expansive and luxurious rooftop terrace offers unparalleled panoramic views of the urban landscape. The generously sized L-shaped outdoor sofa, with its clean lines and soft gray cushions, invites grand-scale relaxation and socializing. A minimalist round coffee table and a rustic wooden table provide functional surfaces for drinks and decor. Surrounding the lounge area, lush, low-lying greenery and integrated planters softens the edges and enhances the connection to nature, making this an ideal spot for sophisticated outdoor entertaining against a stunning city backdrop. 10. Architectural pergola with defined dining and lounge zones. This meticulously designed rooftop terrace features a striking wooden pergola, offering a sense of enclosure and structure to the outdoor living space. Beneath the pergola, a comfortable dining area with classic wooden chairs is illuminated by integrated lighting, perfect for evening meals. Surrounding the main structure, lush planter boxes with mature trees and shrubs create a natural boundary and enhance the sense of an urban garden. The blend of rich wood, gray paving, and vibrant greenery makes this a highly functional and aesthetically pleasing outdoor retreat. 11. Sleek urban oasis with outdoor kitchen. This contemporary apartment terrace combines sophisticated design with ultimate functionality, featuring a built-in outdoor kitchen complete with a sink, mini fridge, and ample counter space, making al fresco dining and entertaining effortless. The clean lines of the light-colored paving stones contrast beautifully with the warm wooden slat walls and planters, which house subtle greenery. A plush, light-colored outdoor sofa with a luxurious faux fur throw centers the lounge area around a rustic wooden coffee table, creating an inviting space for relaxation and enjoying the urban skyline. 12. Charming al fresco dining under string lights. This delightful terrace features a welcoming outdoor dining area, perfect for meals with family and friends. A large, dark rectangular table is surrounded by classic outdoor chairs with woven details, set against light-colored paving stones. Overhead, a framework adorned with charming string lights creates a festive and intimate atmosphere, especially as evening approaches. A cozy built-in bench with a stone fire pit area offers an additional spot for relaxation, while surrounding greenery hints at a peaceful, residential setting. 13. Enchanting Starry Night Cityscape Terrace. This magical rooftop terrace transforms into a whimsical wonderland at night, with multiple strands of twinkling string lights draped across the sky, mimicking a starry canopy above the city lights. A vibrant green artificial grass floor sets a cheerful tone, complemented by lime green cushions on the wooden bench and playful yellow and blue accents on the unique wire chairs. Lush, tall grasses and white planters provide a natural border, enhancing privacy and adding to the serene, inviting atmosphere perfect for an evening of enchantment and city gazing. 14. Dramatic Rooftop Retreat with Vertical Garden Wall. This stunning rooftop terrace creates a dramatic and luxurious outdoor living experience, highlighted by a magnificent vertical living wall that serves as a vibrant, natural backdrop and a striking design feature. The space is thoughtfully divided into multiple lounge zones with comfortable dark-toned seating, centered around a large, illuminated planter box holding a mature tree, acting as a natural focal point. A modern pergola provides a defined space, while ambient lighting integrated into the design enhances the sophisticated and inviting atmosphere, making it a perfect sanctuary for urban dwellers. 15. Minimalist High-Rise Balcony with Glowing Accents. This modern high-rise balcony offers sleek design and stunning city and water views. The rich, dark wooden decking contrasts beautifully with the minimalist white furniture, including a low-slung sofa and matching ottomans, creating an open and airy lounge space. Tall, slender planters with striking green plants add vertical interest, while glowing spherical lights on the floor introduce a futuristic and artistic touch, making the space feel vibrant and contemporary, especially as the sun sets over the urban expanse. 16. Luxurious Rooftop Entertainment Hub. This expansive rooftop terrace is a true urban entertainment oasis, boasting a full outdoor kitchen with a large grill and stainless steel appliances, ready for any culinary adventure. Beyond the kitchen, a comfortable lounge area is sheltered by a modern pergola and features a built-in outdoor fireplace and television, perfect for cozy evenings or watching a game under the stars. Lush vertical gardens and strategically placed planters with vibrant greenery soften the industrial elements, creating a sophisticated and highly functional outdoor living space against a dramatic cityscape backdrop. 17. Elegant Rooftop Lounge with Skyline Views and Fire Pits. This sophisticated rooftop terrace offers a panoramic cityscape, prominently featuring a landmark tower, and is designed for luxurious evening gatherings. A modern dark pergola overhead is adorned with charming string lights, casting a warm glow over the entire space. Comfortable, light-colored outdoor sofas are arranged around square fire pits, providing both warmth and a focal point for conversation. The minimalist design, coupled with elegant outdoor lighting and subtly blooming trees, creates an exclusive and inviting ambience for enjoying breathtaking sunsets and the urban night. 18. Multi-level Rooftop Garden with Integrated Seating. This thoughtfully designed rooftop garden embraces natural elements and clever landscaping to create a serene retreat. Multiple levels of wooden decking and light paving stones define different zones, including a spacious dining area with a modern table and benches, and an elevated lounge section with built-in wooden seating. Surrounding the areas, abundant greenery in various planters and garden beds adds vibrant color and a sense of lushness, while a pebble border provides an attractive textural contrast, offering a harmonious blend of hardscape and softscape. 19. Covered Terrace with Cozy Fire Pit Lounge. This inviting terrace offers a perfect blend of comfort and style, featuring a substantial L-shaped sectional sofa with plush white cushions and striking black and white patterned throw pillows, creating a cozy gathering spot. A rectangular fire pit at the center provides warmth and ambience, making it ideal for evening relaxation. The space is sheltered by a modern pergola with a ceiling fan, ensuring comfort on warmer days, while a mix of wood decking and a brick wall adds textural interest and defines distinct areas within the outdoor room. 20. Serene rooftop garden with sculpted greenery and views. This picturesque rooftop terrace is a testament to the power of thoughtful landscaping, featuring an array of meticulously maintained planters brimming with diverse shrubs and flowers, framing breathtaking panoramic city views. At the heart of the space, a circular wooden dining table with classic chairs provides a charming spot for al fresco meals, surrounded by artfully sculpted spiral evergreen trees that add a whimsical touch. The light-colored composite decking ensures durability and a clean aesthetic, creating a truly serene and green urban escape. Aren't those designs absolutely inspiring? It just goes to show that no matter the size of your apartment terrace, with a little creativity and strategic planning, you can transform it into a beautiful and functional outdoor living space that truly extends your home. Creating your dream apartment terrace isn't just about adding furniture, it's about crafting an experience. It's about designing a personal oasis where you can unwind, entertain, and connect with the outdoors, all within the comfort of your own urban dwelling. Whether you envision a lush garden retreat, a stylish dining area, or a cozy lounge, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the potential of your outdoor space and let it become a true highlight of your home. We hope these ideas have sparked your imagination and given you the confidence to start designing your own apartment terrace living space. If you found this video helpful, please give us a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring home decor tips and tours. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. What's your favorite terrace idea from today's video? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.